Hi, I am Abhijaya Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. In this video, we will look at some questions on one word substitution, beginning with the alphabet D. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our video is titled Quiz Test Your Knowledge, and you're watching this with me, Abhijaya Patil. This is the link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses as well as follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now let's look at the quiz words beginning with D. Let's look at the first question, which is a person sent to represent another. So this is quite an easy question. Let's look at the options. Assistant, secretary, stenographer, delegate. So the answer for this question is D, delegate, a person who represents another, especially if an elected representative is sent to a conference, then that is a delegate. An assistant is well an assistant. Secretary is a person who is in charge of correspondence and keeping records, maybe for another person or maybe for an organization. And then we have stenographer. Stenographer is a person whose job is to transcribe speech in shorthand. So the answer for this question is D, delegate. Next question is the statistical study of populations. Let's look at the options. Anthropology, demography, biology, census. So the answer for this question is also quite easy. It's B, demography, which is the statistical study of populations. Anthropology is the study of human societies, their cultures and their development. Biology is the study of living organisms. And census is the official count or survey of population, right? So the answer for this question would be demography. Next question is a wall to prevent an area from flooding. So this is also an easy question. Let's look at the options. A slope, dike, cave or none. So the answer would be B, dike, which is a wall or an embankment to prevent sea or rain river water from flooding an area. Slope is our slope, that is a slanting slope, and cave is our cave, right? So it has to be dike. Next question is to go down in value. Accelerate, depreciate, decrease or all. So the answer for this question is B, depreciate, which means something that goes down in value over time. Accelerate, we can have the literal physics meaning, that is velocity acceleration, or accelerate also means something that increases, to increase in amount or rate. Decrease means to go down, but to go down in value is depreciate. Next question is to convince someone not to do something. Options are persuade, divert, distract and dissuade. So the answer for this question is D, dissuade, which means to convince someone not to do something. Persuade is to convince someone to do something. Divert is when you have to change your course, or you have to change your direction, you have to go from one direction to another, so that's divert, for diversion. And distract means you're distracted, you have different thoughts, or what your main purpose is, you lose focus of that, so that's distract. So answer to this question is D, dissuade. Next question is a person without a home, job or property. Options are tramp, derelict, vagabond and all. So the answer for this question is D, all. A person without a home, job or property, tramp, derelict and vagabond. So these are synonyms of each other. I'd already told you all that tramp is a synonym of derelict, And now we know another synonym, which is vagabond. So all these are mean a person who is without a job, a property, or a home. Next question is a period of rainfall leading to a shortage of water. So I'm sure you will get this. Flood, drought, famine, and none. So of course the answer would be B, drought, period of rainfall leading to a shortage of water. Flood is when your rivers flood or your seas flood and there is excess of water in uh, areas, right? Famine, on the other hand, is an extreme shortage of food, so that is famine. Next question is a person who has a habit of drinking alcohol. Options are drunkard, dipsomaniac, teetotaler, and both A and B. So the answer for this question is both A and B, that is drunkard and dipsomaniac mean a person who has a habit of drinking alcohol. We haven't covered these words, so remember them. Dipsomaniac and drunkard. Teetotaler, on the other hand, is someone who does not drink alcohol. He does not ever drink alcohol. So that's teetotaler, the antonym of drunkard and dipsomaniac. Next is a game that results neither in victory nor in defeat. Options: draw, drawn, deteriorate, or other. So of course the answer for this question is draw, or you can also say a tie, but since the option is not given, I'm just giving you another word for draw. A match can also tie, that is a game that results neither in victory nor in defeat. Deteriorate means something that goes from bad to worse, and drawn is the past participle of draw. So answer for this question is A, draw. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all liked this quiz and thank you for watching it. For any questions, suggestions, doubts, please mention those in the comment section. If you all know any other words that you can include in this list for words beginning with D, then please mention those too in the comment section. And if you like this lesson, please do not forget to rate, review, recommend and share it so that more and more people take this quiz and are able to attempt maximum questions for one word substitution. So if you all haven't got many of the answers right, please go through the first two uh, parts, part 1 and part 2 of D letter again, so that you revise everything and come back for words beginning with E, part 1. See you soon. Bye.